and I didn't really know who was going to turn up. And you wouldn't believe it. Earlier, I was worried there wouldn't be enough people. Now I'm worried there's too many people. Thank you so much. Every single one of you that's come tonight to help me celebrate my 60th. Thanks to Nick, of course, the best DJ in town. Let's do it for Nick, everyone, the best DJ in town. Please enjoy the rest of your evening, and thank you so very much for coming. Love you all. Yeah, well, I mentioned indeed, give it up please for Mr. Glyn Davies, who is celebrating his 60th birthday. Now we're going to take you back to 1965 now. And I would play the number one on his birthday, but it's a load of rubbish by the New Seekers. So the week after he was born, it was this. What a tune! It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say. I was gonna say do the hips, not you, Glyn. You'll find it happens all the time. Love will never do what you wanna do. Why can't this crazy love be more? It's not unusual to be mad with anyone. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone. But if I ever find that you've changed at any time. Well, it looks like Glyn's found his mysterious girl, Alexandra. Mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. Looks like Peter Andre in the room next to you. Mysterious girl, I wanna get close to mine. Close to mine. Watching the sun go down, the tide is drifting away. We can get close enough to feel what we're doing. 'Cause looking in your eyes, feeling so alive. And girl, when you touch me, it's time to take it further. Here we go. Girl, I wanna be with you. I wanna spend the night with you. I need to be with the woman that I love. Girl, I wanna do to you all the things you want me to. I need to be with the woman that I love. G. Could be my theme tune, this one. Ooh, ah, just a little bit. That's all you get from me. Here we go! applause. It is our birthday officially now. And
she'll be in tomorrow lunchtime to buy you all a drink. Listen, have a safe journey back wherever you are. We'll see you all again soon. Ta-ra for now. See you. Make it there, I'll make it. Anywhere, it's up to you. New York, New York. Right, if you're not already doing them, be careful and mess up the high kicks. Here we go. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that never sleeps. Wakey, wakey! And find I'm a number one. Top of the list. On the hill. Number one. These little towns. I'm gonna make a brand new start of it in Telscombe Tavern. If I can make it there, I'm gonna make it anywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's just about it for tonight. I hope you had a great time. You've been absolutely brilliant. Can we just do it one more time though? For the birthday boy, Mr. Glyn Davies! Many congratulations. We'll see you soon. New York!